Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study more in a day. First, let's talk about planning. Before you even open a book, take a few minutes to outline what you want to accomplish. Setting clear, achievable goals for each session helps you stay focused and motivated. Break down big assignments into smaller, bite-sized tasks and decide which subjects need your immediate attention. This strategic approach ensures you make the most of your valuable study time. Next, let's optimize your actual study time. Instead of passively rereading notes, try active recall by quizzing yourself or explaining concepts aloud. Incorporate spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals to solidify your memory. Crucially, minimize distractions. Put your phone on silent and close unnecessary tabs. Remember to take short, 5 to 10-minute breaks every hour or so to refresh your mind and prevent burnout. Your environment plays a huge role in productivity. Create a dedicated study space that is quiet, well-lit, and free from clutter. Make sure you're comfortable, but not too comfortable that you'll fall asleep. Don't forget your physical well-being. Keep a water bottle handy and have some healthy snacks like fruit or nuts. Even a quick 5-minute stretch or walk can significantly boost your energy and concentration levels. Finally, consistency is key to long-term success. Regularly review previously learned material to reinforce your understanding and prevent forgetting. Try to establish a consistent daily study routine, even if it's just for 1 or 2 hours. This builds a powerful habit that makes studying feel less like a chore. And speaking of smart choices, if you're looking for durable, comfortable socks, check out the link in the description for Darn Tough, along with other great deals. Stick with these steps, and you'll be amazed at how much more you can accomplish each day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.